Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class, we will learn 2 marks application of derivatives, dear students. For solving those problems, we require some basic formulas, dear students. These are the formulas which are required. We will see one by one. So, approximate change of volume of a side x meters caused. So, approximate change we will denote it by always by delta, dear students. So here it is what? Approximate change in volume. No, that's why we will write it as delta V. So caused by what? X meters. X meters means dV by dx into delta x. So here side is caused. So that's why we are writing with what? dV by dx into delta x. Sometimes radius also he will give. We can say radius is having error. Error means change. Change means what? Here we will write it as what? dV by dr into delta r. So it depends upon what he will give. We will consider here as what? X meters. That's why we have written it as what? Delta x. dV by dx into delta x. Clear? So next one. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is what? A cube or not? So if you take side as a, each side as a, it will become a cube. If you take x, side as a x means it will become what? X cube or not? So that's why volume of a cube a here is equal to a cube. If it is given as x means we can write it as x cube also. So this is also most important formula, dear students. So next one, surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. How many faces cube will be having? 6, no? So squares all will be in square. Square area of a square is what? A square will write or not? Same only here also that what? 6 into a square, because 6 faces 6. If it is again side is taken as x means 6x square we will write. Surface area of a cube is 6a square we can write. Surface area of a sphere is what? Surface area I am saying, not volume of sphere. Surface area of a sphere is equal to what? 4 pi r square. Now next, volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the basic you have learned in 10th also, dear students, those who will learn, and these are you have learned in college level. So slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is what? dy by dx, dear students. Don't get confused. He will ask find the slope of the tangent. Some function he will give y is equal to x square minus 2x. So that time you have to find what? Dy by dx. Clear? That dy by dx is only called as what? M, dear students. M, small m. So now slope of normal is what? Minus 1 by dy by dx. Slope of normal is basically, it is a perpendicular for tangent. If a tangent is there, so slope of normal is what? That will be perpendicular. This is the slope of normal, dear student. This. So that will be perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular means you know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that's why slope of tangent into slope of normal is equal to minus 1. So slope of normal will keep as it is, minus 1 divided by slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is nothing but what? Dy by dx only. That's why minus 1 by dy by dx we have written. This is also dy by dx is nothing but what? M. So minus 1 by m, dear students. So next one you will see. Find the approximate volume of find the approximate value of f of x plus delta x by using differentials. F of x plus delta x means what? So they will ask, dear students, square root of 49.5 or square root of 25.3, square root of 36.6 by using what? Differentials. Find the approximate value of square root 36.6 by using differentials, he will say. So that time we will use this formula. F of x plus delta x will become what? F of x plus f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but derivative of f of x into delta x. So next question, for tangents, if a tangents or a tangents, all tangents are parallel to what? X axis means dy by dx is equal to 0, student. Dy by dx will become what? 0. Clear? So because see this is a tangent, you think this is a x axis. So if they are making parallel means their angle will be 0. Tan 0 is what? 0 only. So m is equal to 0 we will get. M is equal to tan theta. No slope of slope how we will find m is equal to tan theta. If theta is only 0 means m value will become what? 0 only. M value is nothing but dy by dx I told. So dy by dx is equal to 0 we will get. So for tangents, if they are parallel to y-axis, this is a y-axis, this is a tangent. Parallel to y-axis means what? They will make angle 90 degree, dear students. So there it will become tan 90 is what? Infinite. Infinite I will write 1 by 0, dear student. And some of the books they will write dx by dy is equal to 0 also. That is also correct only. If you reverse them, so 0 by 1 will become 0 only. Got it? So equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of normal how we will find? Here m value you know that slope of tangent. You have to substitute. Equation of normal same only. Y minus y1 minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Minus 1 by m is nothing but slope of normal. Got it? In equation of tangent you have to use slope of tangent. In equation of normal you have to use slope of normal, dear students. I hope it is clear. So we'll continue with the next question now. So please copy these formulas. Let us continue, dear students, with again two more formulas are there. F dash of x is greater than 0 means strictly increasing. F dash of x is less than 0 means strictly decreasing, dear students. So next is what? Double derivative. See here, double derivative is less than 0 means the function is said to be a what? Maximum. If double derivative is greater than 0 means what? Minimum, dear students. These basic ideas you should know before solving the problems. I hope it is clear for you. Let us copy this. We'll solve the next problem now. We'll start the problems. Let us see the first problem, dear students. Find the approximate change in the volume of V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 2%. Very simple question, dear students. So now what I have to find what here? Approximate change of volume V of a cube. Volume of a cube just now we have discussed, that is V is equal to how much? X cube. He has already mentioned V is nothing but volume of a cube. V is called as what? X cube or not? Volume of a cube. Why x cube? A cube it was. Here x cube why we have taken? Because side is taken as x meters. Each side is taken as x meters. That's why V is equal to x cube we got. So now differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. So dV by dx is equal to how much? X cube derivative is 3x square. We got. So now side is side x meters caused by increasing how much? 2%. That means x is changing, dear students. Here change is what? Approximate change it is. So that's why we will write it as delta x. Approximate change is represented by delta, dear students. So change in how much? Side is changing how much? 2% of x is changing. Side is changing. So 2% of x means it is what? 2%. 2% means what? 2 by 100, dear students. 2 by 100 into x. This will give how much? 2 by 100 is how much? 0.02x, dear students. We got this value. This is nothing but what? Your delta x. And we know the formula very well. Therefore what? Delta V I have to find. So find the approximate change in volume. No, approximate change means what? Delta will write. Delta V I have to find here. Delta V how we will find? Discussed just now. So that is delta V is dV by dx, because here x is there, x only, into what? Delta x. Clear? dV by dx is how much, dear students? 3x square into delta x is how much? Here it is there, 0.02x, dear students. So now 3 into this you have to multiply. How much it will give? 0.06 x cube. And delta how we will find? You know delta V how we will find? It's a volume or not? Volume is calculated by cubic units. What is the unit he has given? Meter. So that's why meter cube, dear students. So you got 2 marks, and it is most important question, dear students. If you are understanding the video or liking my video, please like the button and subscribe. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.